Our planet is filled with incredible wonders, yet some landforms continue to baffle us. From strange formations sculpted by unexplained forces to landscapes that seem straight out of another world, here are 15 of the most enigmatic landforms ever discovered. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and check out this video. Ci Lake, Kazakhstan. Kandy Lake in Kazakhstan, located in the breathtaking Tian Shan Mountains, came into existence in 1911 when a massive limestone landslide created a lake stretching 1,300 feet deep. Even over a century later, the submerged trees remain astonishingly well preserved, with their trunks sustaining underwater plants and algae, allowing the submerged forest to continue thriving. To visit this extraordinary place, you'll venture deep into the mountains, over 6,000 feet above sea level. The lake's vivid hues, ranging from blue to green, change with its mineral content, while its crystal-clear waters offer a stunning view of the submerged forest below. This remote natural marvel is truly one of a kind. Devil's Tower, Wyoming. Devil's Tower National Monument in Wyoming stands as one of the most iconic and enigmatic landmarks in the United States. Towering 867 feet, 264 meters, above the surrounding plains, it has fascinated visitors for generations. Designated by President Roosevelt in 1906 as the nation's first national monument, it has been preserved ever since. While it was officially named Devil's Tower in 1875, Native American tribes refer to it by names such as Bear's House or Tree Rock. The origins of this striking formation remain a mystery. The leading theory suggests it is the remnant of an ancient volcanic intrusion, yet the absence of nearby volcanic evidence casts doubt on this explanation. Its distinctive hexagonal columns, which appear almost sculpted, only deepen its intrigue. According to native stories, like the Lakota Sioux legend of girls being lifted into the sky to escape a bear, the true origin of Devil's Tower might hold a far more mystical significance. Sakra in Yemen. Socotra, an island archipelago in the Arabian Sea off the coast of Yemen, covers approximately 1,400 square miles, 3,700 square kilometers. The group consists of 4 main islands, with the largest also called Socotra. Renowned for its extraordinary landscapes and unique biodiversity, the island's flora and fauna have developed in isolation over millions of years. Among its remarkable plant life is the dragon's blood tree, recognized for its umbrella-shaped canopy and red resin tied to ancient rituals and local myths. Another standout is the desert rose, which thrives in the arid environment by storing water in its thick trunk. Over 1/3 of Socotra's 825 plant species are exclusive to the island. The archipelago is also home to rare birds, reptiles, and invertebrates, such as the vibrant Socotra sunbird, the Socotra cormorant, and a variety of geckos, skinks, and spiders found nowhere else on Earth. The Giant's Causeway. Ireland's coastline, particularly in County Antrim, is home to the breathtaking Giant's Causeway, a natural marvel made up of around 40,000 interlocking basalt columns. These mostly hexagonal pillars create a striking stepped pathway that extends into the North Atlantic. Depending on the lighting, the columns shift in color, transitioning from gray and black to glowing golden tones at sunset. While their near-perfect shapes might seem man-made, they were actually formed by volcanic activity over 50 million years ago. The Giant's Causeway has inspired countless legends, including a famous tale from Irish mythology. According to the story, the giant Finn McCool built the causeway as a bridge to Scotland to confront his rival, Banandiner. However, upon realizing the immense size of his opponent, Finn fled home, where his clever wife disguised him as a baby. When Banandiner saw the baby, he assumed it was the child of a much larger giant and retreated to Scotland, destroying the causeway as he went. This enduring legend adds to the cultural significance and rich history of this iconic site. Mount Rima. Mount Roraima, a flat-topped mountain straddling the borders of Venezuela, Brazil, and Guyana, soars 9,219 feet, 2,810 meters, above the jungle. As part of the ancient Guyana Shield, this secluded plateau covers approximately 12 square miles, 31 square kilometers, and has remained largely untouched for millions of years. Its summit is home to extraordinary plant and animal life, including carnivorous species like the Roraima pitcher plant and unique, endemic frogs. Encircled by sheer cliffs, the mountain resembles a fortress in the clouds. The summit boasts bizarre rock formations, some appearing like ancient ruins, which once inspired explorers to theorize about lost civilizations. For indigenous tribes such as the Pemon and Kappan, Mount Roraima is sacred, believed to be the remnants of a massive tree that once bore all the world's fruits. According to their legends, the tree's destruction triggered a great flood, leaving Mount Roraima as the sole remnant of this mythical past. Dead Vly. Defy, located in Namibia's Namib National Park, stands as one of the most enigmatic landscapes on Earth. This ancient clay pan, nestled within the Namib Desert, takes its name, meaning dead marsh, from its stark, lifeless appearance. Scattered across the pan are the skeletal remains of camelthorn trees, estimated to be about 900 years old. These trees have not decayed, thanks to the arid climate, which halts decomposition. Once a thriving oasis nourished by the Tsachab River, the area dried up when shifting sand dunes blocked the water flow, leaving the trees to die yet remain hauntingly intact. Encircled by towering sand dunes that rise up to 1,000 feet, the cracked white clay pan presents an eerie, almost otherworldly sight. The deep, rust-colored hue of the dunes, caused by iron oxidation, further enhances the surreal beauty of this mysterious landscape. Maori boulders. The Maoraki boulders, located on Coco Beach in New Zealand's Otago region, are among the country's most fascinating natural wonders. These massive, spherical stones, some reaching up to 6.5 feet, 2 meters, in diameter, are scattered across the shore. Scientifically, they are septarian concretions, formed around 60 million years ago when minerals like calcite gradually accumulated around a core on the ocean floor. Over time, the layers compacted into the perfectly round shapes we see today. While the process behind their formation is well understood, their sheer size and symmetry continue to spark curiosity. Though similar boulders are found in other parts of the world, the Maoraki boulders are unique for their remarkable size and uniformity. Some have cracked open, revealing honeycomb-like structures within. According to Maori legend, the boulders are believed to be the remnants of calabashes, eel baskets, and gourds from the wreck of the Ere Turu canoe. The cliffs nearby are said to be the petrified remains of the wreck itself. Beyond their scientific intrigue, the boulders hold spiritual significance to the Maori people, symbolizing ancestral connections and serving as a reminder of a great journey, which only adds to their allure. Vulcan Point. Vulcan Point, located in the Philippines, is a striking geological feature found within Taal Volcano. It is a volcanic island situated in a lake, which itself lies within an island, on yet another lake, on an island. While other formations like this exist, Vulcan Point stands out due to Taal's active volcanic status. Taal Volcano, one of the country's most active, resides in Taal Lake, a caldera formed by an ancient eruption. Despite frequent volcanic activity, Vulcan Point has remained surprisingly resilient. After the major eruption in January 2020, which covered the island in ash and drained surrounding waters, it appeared to be destroyed. Yet, it soon re-emerged, with water and vegetation returning as if nothing had occurred. The Taal region, including Vulcan Point, holds deep cultural significance, with local legends linking the volcano to spirits and deities, further enhancing its mystique. Ice Towers. The ice towers of Mount Erebus in Antarctica are one of Earth's most fascinating natural wonders. Located on Ross Island, this active volcano is the southernmost on the planet and features a constantly bubbling lava lake at its summit. The volcano's geothermal heat causes hot volcanic gases to escape through cracks in the ice, which then freeze in the frigid Antarctic air, forming towering spires that can reach up to 60 feet, 18 meters. These towers are ever-changing, continuously releasing steam and accumulating new layers of ice. Their bright white ice contrasts sharply with the dark volcanic rock of Erebus, and the hollow centers emit an eerie blue glow. Despite the extreme conditions of Antarctica, extremophiles, organisms that thrive in hostile environments, flourish within the cracks of the volcano. Studying these life forms could provide clues about the possibility of life on other planets. While reaching Mount Erebus is no easy feat, those who do venture there often describe the ice towers as creating a surreal, otherworldly atmosphere. Horder Geothermal Field in Iceland. The Horder Geothermal Field in Iceland stands as one of the country's most enigmatic landscapes, revealing the Earth's immense power. Situated along the Golden Circle route, this area is famous for its hot springs and geysers, including Stur, which erupts every few minutes. The field's most notable geyser, Gear, is the namesake for geysers worldwide. Though it is dormant today, Gear once propelled boiling water 230 feet into the air. Earthquakes in the region can trigger eruptions, but predicting them remains an unsolved mystery. The alien-like terrain is further accentuated by bubbling mud pools and steam vents, with sulfur-rich mud gurgling ominously. While scientific knowledge explains much of the geothermal activity, the field's unpredictable behavior suggests that hidden forces may be at work. To the Icelandic people, this land holds deep spiritual meaning, with legends of elves and hidden folk residing within the rocks and hills, possibly guarding the secrets of this powerful place. Dana Landform in China. China's Danxiao Landform, located in Gansu, Guangdong, and Hunan, is one of the most breathtaking and enigmatic landscapes in the world. The Rainbow Mountains in Gansu are especially notable for their vivid red sandstone cliffs, showcasing a stunning palette of red, orange, yellow, and green hues that change with the shifting light and weather. While the formation of these landforms is well understood, the true reasons behind their vibrant colors remain a mystery. With towering peaks and deep ravines, the landscape has inspired legends of gods and mythical creatures, and temples carved into the cliffs lend it spiritual significance. Once secluded, the region's remote location helped preserve its natural beauty, but advancements in transportation have made it more accessible, allowing visitors to experience its surreal and ever-evolving scenery.